When a web page is too long to fit on your screen, taking multiple screenshots can be frustrating. In this video, I'll show you how to take a full page screenshot in Microsoft Edge. So when you're viewing a long web page and want to capture entire page, go to the top right corner of the browser and click on three-dot menu, then select Screenshot. You can also open Screenshot tool instantly by pressing Ctrl+Shift+S on your keyboard. Once Screenshot tool opens, you'll see three options: Capture Area, Capture Screen Area, and Capture Full Page. For this tutorial, click on Capture Full Page. After page has been captured, click on Save icon right here. Full page screenshot will be saved automatically to your Downloads folder. Take a look at this. We now have a complete screenshot of the entire web page, all captured using Microsoft Edge. So, that's how you can take a full page screenshot using the Microsoft Edge browser. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.